In this short video, we'll cover how to download your new Gmail signature and attach the signature to Gmail. Please start by opening the email titled Google Signature Update, and inside you'll find a link in step 1 called Signatures folder. Click that, please. You will have to be logged in with your at foundationacademy.net email account. From there, scroll down to your alphabetical name, double click it, use the download icon in the top right, and you should now have a download of your signature. Now, if you'll go back to the email, the next step is adding the signature to Gmail. You do want to go ahead and log in. I assume you guys know how to log into Gmail. Visit gmail.com and sign in. Click the settings gear in the top right. This new settings bar appears. Hit See All Settings. Scroll down to the signature area, which has changed a bit. Delete your old signature. Yours probably will not show up. I already re-added mine. So I'm going to delete this one so you can see. Hit Create New. Give it a name. My new signature. And then you're going to insert the image. So click this Insert Image icon. Go to Upload. Select a file from your device. And on your Chromebook, you're going to choose your Downloads folder. You're seeing a tiny bit different from a Mac. And mine is right here. You can see it. I downloaded it twice, but yours will be similarly titled first name space last name underscore 2020-signature.jpg. So go ahead and open that. And then 2 more things. Right here, make sure you select what signature you want to use for email. So you do have to update it to your latest signature. This one as well, if you want forward and replies to get your signature. And save. You're all set.